Welcome back to the Miniac, and in today's video we are tackling which has become quite possibly the easiest Mini to find. I'm looking at the LCI Jcw Countryman, the 301 horsepower version, and there are tons, quite literally, for sale out there. And I do mean that. I mean, I found tons. So we're gonna have to be very, very specific. Now, before I dive in, this video is sponsored by outmotoring.com. So if you're looking for accessories for your Jcw Countryman, head over to outmotoring.com and see what they have available. They might just surprise you. But let's dive in. We are on AutoTrader, CarMax, and Carvana because, like I said, I found a ton. So we're gonna start on CarMax and literally go to this one. This caught my attention. 2022 JCW in blue and red. Now, if you're a KU fan or any sports team that uses blue and red, this might be one for you. I'm gonna be very, very specific with this car. Now, I don't want the smaller wheels, and I don't want necessarily the lounge leather interior. Yes, I know it's power seats, but I still want the JCW buckets if I'm gonna go with this car. So I want the bigger wheels, and I want the JCW seats, the Alcantara ones, the really nice ones. So this one's gonna have to be nixed from the list. Now, unfortunately, this might make it harder for me to find the exact car because there are quite a few out there with leather interiors or even leatherette versus the JCW factory seats. I don't know why, it's just kind of a weird thing, but we're gonna try to find one. So that one's off the list. This one, unfortunately, has to be off the list. 2022 Mini Cooper Countryman JCW with 17,000 miles, 33.9 in white. Very nice. Malt brown leather interior. This could be a huge challenge, so we're gonna nix that one. Again, this one's really pretty as well. What color is this? Looks black, might be enigmatic. It might actually be enigmatic. It's unfortunate. Again, the malt brown lounge leather. Now, not a terrible interior, but not for what I'm trying to get here. Another one with the leather interior. This could be very difficult. I love this color. Right interior, wrong wheels. All right, we're back to AutoTrader. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So here's one with the 19-inch wheels. Navigation, nicely. Black lounge leather. Okay, Leesburg, Florida. Let's go skip over. Get the black wheels. This could be difficult. This could be very difficult. Okay, we got the wheels I want on that one. Do I have the interior I want on that one? No. Punched leather. That's unfortunate. All right, not that one. That one has the right wheels and the right interior. Okay. Here's one we're going to keep on our list, and we're going to hop on to the next one. Wrong wheels. Not a bad interior, but not for a JCW Countryman. Right wheels. Only reason I'm keeping this one is it has a blue interior, and that's a really rare option. So we're going to hold on to that one and circle our way back. Wrong wheels. This is a challenge. Now, the thing is, they only made this from 2020 to 2024 with the higher horsepower, and they didn't facelift it until 2021. So you'll notice that the grille looks different on the 2020 models versus the 2021s. So you'll see what I mean by with the horizontal bar on the grille. Now, this one has the right spec. Okay, this is the one we're gonna keep on our list. We're gonna nix that one, nix that one, nix that one. Did I already look at this one? Again, nix that one, nix that one. Say goodbye to that one. This one's Rebel Green, black lounge leather. Well, if you want black lounge leather, there are tons out there. There are literally, oh, here's one, okay. There are literally tons out there. However, when you decide to go for something very specific, you start encountering problems. And that's usually because you start finding that the options weren't done the way you would have done them. They're done the way the customer wanted them, the way the original owner wanted them. So we narrowed it down to, looks like 5. So let's dive in. We're gonna start with our first one here. This is the 2020 JCW Countryman. Now, one of the ways you can tell it's a 2020 JCW Countryman, obviously, go to the front of the vehicle and look at the grille. You'll see it drops down. That kind of drop down, that's the pre-facelift car. Not a terrible vehicle. I kind of like the later one with the horizontal bar, but Everyone's different. This one's white, not exactly my favorite color for a car. 53,000 miles, not bad. Has black lounge leather, which I'm not a fan of, so I'm being specific here. I know what I want, and I don't really want that one. So we're going to kill that one from the list. So this one is Midnight Black 2, 27,411 miles, 33,995, located in Collinsville, Illinois. So let's take a look at that one. That one's a later one. It has the red rally stripes on the hood. That's nice. Has the right wheels, navigation, backup camera. Has the right interior, heated seats. Good looking car. The photos are a little on the grainy side, so it makes it a little hard for me to really want this car. Has a head-up display. I'd love to have that. Not a bad vehicle though. $596 a month. I mean, yeah. The JCW Countryman and the JCW Clubman tend to hold their value quite well, especially the 301 horsepower ones. So that is to be expected to see higher prices on those cars. So in this case, we're going to look at this one. This is also Midnight Black. Has the blue leather interior. This is why it caught my attention. $33,999. This is at Motorworks Mini in Golden Valley, Minnesota. Good looking car overall. I do like the blue interior. Do I like it enough to forego the JCW bucket seats? That is the challenge. It does have the newer steering wheel. That's the other thing. If it has the newer steering wheel, this means it could also have the heated steering wheel, which is what I have in my JCW, and I love it. This other one that I'm going to look at, this is a 2022 JCW Countryman, Wichita, Kansas. Okay, this one's in my neck of the woods. 31,598, 36,000 miles. This is actually pretty nice. This looks like it might be, what color is this? It says white silver metallic. Yeah, white silver metallic. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Black roof, nice wheels, overall clean and tidy. JCW interior. Yep, it has my JCW interior, the one I want. Does it have a heated steering wheel? It looks like it has the heated steering wheel as well. Yep, there it is. It's right there. So it does have the heated steering wheel. Cool. I like this one. Nice dashboard, just clean overall. Good looking car. And then we're going to go to this one. This is the newest one in the entire group. Well, one of the newest ones. This is a 2024 for $38,995. This is in white metallic. I believe it's bright white metallic. Could be Nanook white. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember when Nanook white came along. This is Nanook white. Okay, so according to the window sticker, this is Nanook white. It was originally $53,645 when it was new. $38,995. It's in Hawaii. I mean, good looking car. Price is a little higher. Low mileage. It's in Hawaii though. So if I wanted it, I would have to go to Hawaii to ship it back. I don't know how I would pull that one off. That would be very expensive. Cool looking car. If you're in Hawaii and you want one, it's right there. $38,900, 22,000 miles. That's not a leather interior. That is the JCW Alcantara seats, which are beautiful seats. Love the dash on this one. But it's in Hawaii, so I wouldn't be able to get it back that easily. With that in mind, we're going to have to kill that one from the list. So we got this 2022 in Wichita. We got this 2023 with the blue interior in Golden Valley, Minnesota. And we got this black JCW in Collinsville, Illinois. And then we have nothing else. So do I have any other options? What is this one? No, but there was one that just caught my attention. Is that a lifted Countryman JCW? Ooh, Alvin, Texas. Hold on a second. It is lifted. Interesting. Wrong interior. It's a lifted Countryman. Okay, so apparently they didn't LCI the car until oh, they did. They just didn't change the steering wheel until 2022. It has a lift kit on it. Interesting. Well, that's the first time I've seen one with a lift kit in a while, and the last time I saw them were in Colorado, so I wonder where this car originally came from. Well, unfortunately, that's not going to be one we're going to look at, so we're down to the black Countryman here in Collinsville, Illinois. this one with the blue interior in Minnesota, and this 2022 in Wichita. Well, we're gonna nix the one from Minnesota. Yes, the blue interior is cool. I think I already picked out a Clubman JCW with a blue interior, so we might nix that one. Okay, so we got a black JCW Countryman, and we got a white silver. Gonna have to go with, well, I'm gonna have to go with the white silver one, honestly. I mean, from a cursory standpoint, just looking at it, it has the right looks, it has the right wheels. I like the wheels, I like the exterior with the JCW, with the Union Jack taillights, just a cool looking car. Black roof, black trim accents, panorama sunroof, sure. I can add some cool stripes to it. It has the looks. It has the full JCW interior. That's the interior I want if I'm going to buy this car. I want that interior. Yes, I know it's not power seats. Yes, I know it's manual seats, but it doesn't need power seats. Are they cool? Sure, but they're not JCW buckets. I like the JCW buckets. I want to be able to go around hard corners with those seats. I don't want to just lounge around in the car. Now, granted, I have enjoyed the lounge leather seats in some other Minis. In fact, if I had to do it again today, I might consider getting the lounge leather bucket seats in my JCW if it had been offered. It was not offered, but I would have considered it as a possibility. That being said, this looks really good. White, silver, metallic. Good looking car. In Wichita, which means if I were buying it right now for the dream garage, can you imagine a garage full of rare Mini Coopers in Kansas City? That would be kind of crazy. If I could actually do that, that would be pretty cool. But this one would be one to add to the collection. $31,598 if anyone's looking for a JCW Countryman. There it is. It's in Wichita, Kansas. Pretty cool looking car. Wichita, Kansas. There's the Mini. But let me know if you think I made the right choice here. Let me know if you think maybe this one should have been the correct choice. Collinsville, Illinois. Located at, where is this one located? Car Bravo certified. Is it a store called Car Bravo? Probably. Looks like it's Laura Buick GMC. So, there you have it. It's Laura Buick GMC in Collinsville, Illinois if you want that one. But if you want the one that I selected for the Dream Garage, it's this white silver one right here. Kind of a cool looking car. But until next time, thanks for watching. And as always, life is too short to drive a boring car. So take my word for it, drive a Mini. I'll see you all later.